I'm looking for information on an error code E095 on a Frigidaire professional induction cooktop to decide whether to call a technician.
Can you guesstimate how old your Frigidaire is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It is 6 years old, Frigidaire professional, hybrid induction and electrical with 4 cooking surfaces, model No FPCC 3085 KSA.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Very likely not. I'm trying to determine whether it's an expensive part fix, then guesstimate replacing new versus fixing this cooktop.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's pretty much it. It completely lost power and tripped the breaker into reset mode, which I did, then got the beeping in the error message.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. That error means that the board sees an issue with the voltage to the unit. It may be an issue with your home's power supply or the appliance itself. Do you have the ability and equipment to measure voltage?
I don't have a voltmeter to test the voltage. My home was built in 2011 and the panel was wired/installed by Eaton/Cutler Hammer. Where I test the voltage. I may be able to get one from my father tomorrow.
You will need to test right at the receptacle where it is wired into the home's wiring. If that voltage is found to be okay, 240 volts between red and black wires, 120 volts between black and white and red and white, the generator board will need to be replaced, and I would strongly recommend having that professionally replaced. That board runs $500, see link below. Click here. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Is that cost just for the part or part and average labor for a qualified technician locally in Calgary? I can definitely test it tomorrow. If the problem is with the voltage running through the wires, then what is the next step?
That is just the part. Labor will run another $2 to $300 to have it professionally replaced. If there is a voltage supply problem, you likely need a new breaker. However, at 5 years old, that is not likely the issue.
Thanks for the help. I will get a voltmeter to check where the problem is and will replace the cooktop instead of fixing it. At that price, it's likely easier to find a replacement on sale.
I would agree, unfortunately. Have a peaceful evening.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.